Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install this front splitter on the little baby right here, the Corvette, part number vz102103. So this front splitter brings some L brackets, bolts and nuts. It brings some screws and washers, and these are like self-tapping. So you're gonna have these little winglets. You're gonna have, if you get it wrapped, you're gonna have to poke through the hole. And same thing with this side. And then I already went ahead and pre-done the other ones. So if you can see in the bottom of the splitter, it has the holes. Of course, again, if you have it wrapped, you're not gonna see that on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing the holes. Start feeling where the holes are at. Right here. Perfect. You're also going to continue doing the same thing for the rest of the holes. So now we're going to go ahead and assemble the winglets to the front splitter. So we're going to turn this around. They're going to be aligned like this. And you're going to grab your L bracket and you're going to start assembling them. So you're gonna put these two like that, and then these two like that. So now you want to go ahead and tighten up these brackets. We just went ahead and placed the brackets facing inward. You could face them all same way or the other way if you like. So now you're gonna go ahead and grab your bolt, put it here to the top. You get the nut, bolt it in. And then you'll go ahead and tighten them up. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and lift up the car. We're gonna go ahead and put two bolts in through the bottom of the splitter and on top of the OEM splitter, and we're gonna align it up. You're gonna use the big long screws in the middle. Now you're gonna use this side for these holes. We're still gonna use the big ones for over here. Just gonna go ahead and tighten this up. So we're gonna use the small ones in the middle. This is the last bolt. Alright, so at the end, this is how all your bolts will look. So now we're just gonna bring the car down. And there you have it. That's a final look on the Corvette. Remember, this is part number vz102103. We also do have other options on the website. We'll leave all the links below. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below. Next up is the rear diffuser install and also the side splitters, the new style.